There is a very interesting hadith that says to pray one salah here in this masjid is like to pray 1,000 prayers anywhere else. May Allah protect all of you and inshallah accept all your efforts, all your du'as and prayers. All of us go to Jannah, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum from Masjid Aisha, guys. Today is Saturday and we are extremely excited because we came to this amazing, beautiful mosque to make the intention and to come to the state of Imran and to perform our second Umrah, guys. I still cannot believe that I'm almost able to perform my second Umrah. This is so exciting, guys. Well, anyways, if you still didn't watch my first vlog of my first Umrah, go to that playlist and watch the playlist of Saudi Arabia, because I came here, guys, I still had no time to explain anything. So I came here to perform my Umrah, and for the first time, of course, I see Revert. And this is the Masjid Aisha. The thing is, I do not know where is the prayer area for women. I guess, I found it. I came to Saudi Arabia to spend 6 days here to perform my Umrah. Guys, I found it. Let me show you inside the mosque. This is so incredible. I cannot believe that I found this prayer area for women because there are so many people, guys. Our taxi is almost coming and we have no time because, you know, to perform Umrah, guys, there are a lot of people always, like 24/7, you know. And we actually really wanted to perform our Umrah at 6-7 a.m. But of course, you know, until you arrive, until you do the intention and all of it, so it takes a lot of time, really. But let me show you. That was impossible. Anyways, so I was basically saying that we spent so many days here and we still have 2 days left. Well, today as well. And tomorrow, guys, we are going to Medina. Wow, mashallah, mashallah. Alhamdulillah, we started to perform our second Umrah. And guys, it is sunnah to make the first round quick. And this is what we did. And right now we are starting our second round. And I must tell you guys, it is my second Umrah and still it is extremely emotional. I still cannot believe I am seeing the Kaaba and I am here again. And this is such a blessing to be invited by Allah to His house. Mashallah, mashallah. And for those who do not know, I am a Revert from November 2020. And after almost 4 years, I was able to come to Allah's house. And mashallah, mashallah. Today is Saturday and it's around 9 a.m. It's Ramadan. And as you can see, there are not so many people as during the night because the first Umrah we did in Isha time and well after Isha time, and there were a lot of people and right now less. And if you are wondering why we didn't go there like down, it is because we have wheelchair and you know you cannot like go with wheelchair there. So this is why we are again in in this second floor, and yeah, mashallah, mashallah, I still cannot believe. Well, I'm going to continue my du'as and just be grateful to Allah that He invited me to His house. This is such a blessing, guys. Mashallah, mashallah, I still cannot believe. Take a look. It's incredible feeling. Alhamdulillah, it is our fourth round, and mashallah, we made so many du'as already, and of course I made du'a for you, for all of you guys who are watching. May Allah protect all of you and inshallah accept all your efforts for this Ramadan and all your du'as and prayers, and inshallah all of us go to Jannah. Inshallah, guys. Mashallah, such a wonderful place, and definitely I really hope that Allah accept all our du'as. Inshallah. There is a very interesting hadith that says to pray one salah, one prayer here in this masjid is like to pray 1,000 prayers anywhere else. Comment in the comments below if you knew this hadith. Mashallah, take a look. Mashallah, just performed the first part of Umrah, and right now we are going to the Mount of Safa and Marwa. Yes, above we also made the prayer, the Sunnah prayer, and after performing Umrah, and yeah, take a look. Mashallah, mashallah, so beautiful. We spent around 2 hours of performing this part of Umrah, of the 7 rounds, and it was just amazing. Mashallah, mashallah. So right now we are on our way to do this, and it's also 7 rounds, so let's go. Super excited. So I also wanted to say that I thought that to perform Umrah was way harder than it is, but of course, like, you need a lot of energy to you know, dedicate the time and yeah, go for it. But actually I thought it's like more complex, you know, like a ritual. But yeah, this was really, really nice. So I already said this in my first Umrah vlog, that during this line, like the green one, you need to run. Okay, it is sunnah. If you cannot, you can like walk, but it's like recommended for you to run during this green light. And to be honest, today I cannot, guys. I really cannot. First Umrah I did run, but with Umrah it's way more complicated for me. See, it is a green light and almost everyone is running, but I cannot. I'm trying too hard this time, too hard. This is the last round. Yeah, the last one. And yeah, I made it. I almost finished my second Umrah. Alhamdulillah. This Umrah was quite more difficult than the first one. Actually, I do not know why, but I guess it's because, you know, we are here for some days already, and yeah, we already performed one of our Umrahs, and you know, the tiredness comes all together. So of course, traveling is also very hard. So yeah, Alhamdulillah, but we made it. Almost made it. Alhamdulillah, I just finished my second Umrah, guys. I just prayed my last Nafil prayer, and mashallah, everything done. My second Umrah is performed. Alhamdulillah, I'm so grateful for this, and only if you did Umrah you understand how does it feel, and Let me know in the comments below how many of you did perform Umrah, and maybe did you perform Umrah this Ramadan? Comment all this in the comments below.
أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله.
Alhamdulillah, just prayed Duhur prayer at this amazing, beautiful mosque. That was an amazing day. It was Saturday, but yeah, really nice Umrah and really nice Duhur prayer as well. Today we're not so many people because it was quite early, and I guess this time is way better, or at least for Ramadan, I guess. I really hope you enjoyed this vlog. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Allah Hafiz.